Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel on everything related to utility and energy. Welcome to today's episode where we'll be discussing nuclear safety culture and best practices for ensuring reactor safety. Nuclear power is a critical source of energy for many countries around the world, and the safe operation of nuclear reactors is of utmost importance. In this episode, we'll be exploring what nuclear safety culture is, why it's important, and how it's maintained. Let's get started.
Before me dropping value bombs of this video, I would like to introduce the Nuclear Power Engineering Principles course, now available on Udemy. This comprehensive course is your ticket to mastering the principles of nuclear power engineering and taking your career to new heights. Packed with engaging lectures, this course is designed to provide you with a deep understanding of nuclear power engineering principles. And the best part, upon completing the course, you will receive a prestigious certificate of completion to showcase your newly acquired skills and knowledge. It is a valuable credential that can open doors to exciting career opportunities in the nuclear power industry. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to unlock your potential with Nuclear Power Engineering Principles course. Enroll now and gain access to this top-rated course at an unbeatable price. But hurry, as this offer won't last long. Join us today and take the first step towards a successful career in nuclear power engineering. Enroll now in the Nuclear Power Engineering Principles course on Udemy and unlock your potential. Don't wait and start your learning journey now. Now, if you're interested, the link to this course is provided in the video description below.
Nuclear safety culture refers to the values, behaviors, and attitudes that contribute to the safe operation of a nuclear facility. It encompasses the organizational culture of the facility as well as the attitudes and behaviors of individual workers. The goal of a strong nuclear safety culture is to ensure that all individuals involved in the operation of a nuclear facility prioritize safety above all else. A robust nuclear safety culture is critical for the safe operation of nuclear facilities because it helps to ensure that all workers are focused on identifying and mitigating potential safety hazards. This includes identifying and reporting issues in a timely manner, conducting rigorous safety assessments, and consistently adhering to established safety procedures. Nuclear safety culture is built upon a foundation of trust, accountability, and open communication. It is important that workers at all levels of the organization feel comfortable reporting concerns and raising issues without fear of retaliation. A strong nuclear safety culture also requires that workers have the necessary training and resources to perform their jobs safely and effectively. Overall, nuclear safety culture is an essential component of ensuring that nuclear facilities operate safely and effectively. By fostering a culture of safety, organizations can minimize the risk of accidents and ensure that workers are empowered to identify and mitigate potential safety hazards. Nuclear safety culture is of utmost importance in the nuclear industry because it establishes a framework for safe operations and risk management at all levels of the organization. The benefits of having a strong nuclear safety culture include increased safety, improved performance, increased reliability, reduced likelihood of accidents, and increased public trust and confidence. First and foremost, a strong nuclear safety culture ensures the safety of workers, the public, and the environment. A safety culture encourages workers to report any safety concerns or incidents promptly, without fear of retaliation. This ensures that potential safety hazards are identified and addressed in a timely manner, reducing the risk of accidents and associated consequences. In addition, a strong nuclear safety culture can improve performance and reliability. When safety is a top priority, it encourages workers to pay closer attention to their work, leading to increased vigilance and a reduction in errors. By prioritizing safety, nuclear facilities can avoid unplanned outages and equipment failures, reducing downtime and ensuring reliable operations. A strong nuclear safety culture also reduces the likelihood of accidents. By promoting a safety-conscious attitude and a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can identify and mitigate potential safety risks before they become problems. This proactive approach reduces the likelihood of accidents and helps to ensure that operations remain safe and reliable over the long term. Finally, a strong nuclear safety culture helps to build public trust and confidence. The nuclear industry has a history of accidents and incidents, and public perception of the safety of nuclear energy can be negative. By prioritizing safety and maintaining a strong safety culture, nuclear facilities can demonstrate their commitment to safety and help to rebuild public trust. In summary, a strong nuclear safety culture is essential for ensuring the safety of workers, the public, and the environment, improving performance and reliability, reducing the likelihood of accidents, and building public trust and confidence. By prioritizing safety and creating a culture of safety, nuclear organizations can ensure that their operations are safe, reliable, and sustainable over the long term. There are several best practices for ensuring nuclear safety culture. Some of them include leadership and management, communication, training and competence, continuous improvement, workforce involvement, safety systems and procedures, and independent oversight. Effective leadership is essential for establishing and maintaining a strong safety culture. Managers and leaders need to establish clear expectations for safety performance and provide the necessary resources and training to ensure that workers are able to operate safely. Open and transparent communication is critical for maintaining a strong safety culture. Workers need to feel comfortable raising concerns and reporting safety incidents without fear of retaliation. This requires a culture of trust and accountability where everyone is encouraged to speak up. Workers need to be properly trained and competent to perform their tasks safely. This includes training on the specific hazards associated with nuclear operations and regular competency assessments to ensure that workers have the necessary skills and knowledge to operate safely. Safety culture is not static, it requires continuous improvement. This involves regularly reviewing and evaluating safety performance, identifying areas for improvement, and taking action to address any deficiencies. Workers should be involved in safety decision-making processes and encouraged to participate in safety initiatives. This helps to build a sense of ownership and accountability for safety performance. Robust safety systems and procedures are essential for ensuring safe operation of nuclear facilities. These should be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure they are effective and up to date. Lastly, independent oversight and regulation is essential for ensuring that nuclear facilities operate safely. Regulators need to be independent and have the necessary resources and expertise to effectively regulate nuclear operations. These best practices are designed to establish a strong safety culture within nuclear organizations and promote safe operation of nuclear facilities. By implementing these practices, organizations can help to ensure that nuclear operations are safe and reliable. The management commitment to safety is one of the key elements of establishing a strong nuclear safety culture. It refers to the organization's leadership demonstrating their commitment to ensuring the safe operation of the nuclear facility and prioritizing safety above all else. To establish this commitment, it is important for the management to clearly communicate their expectations for safety to all employees and stakeholders. This can be achieved through regular safety briefings, training sessions, and the creation of a safety policy that outlines the organization's commitment to safety. Another important aspect of management commitment is the allocation of resources to support safety programs and initiatives. This includes providing adequate funding for safety-related equipment, personnel, and maintenance, as well as prioritizing safety in decision-making processes. Management should also promote a culture of open communication, where employees are encouraged to report safety concerns or incidents without fear of retaliation. This can be achieved through the establishment of a reporting system that ensures confidentiality and anonymity, and by providing employees with training on the importance of reporting safety concerns. Finally, it is important for management to lead by example and demonstrate a strong commitment to safety in their own actions and decisions. This can include participating in safety training and exercises, conducting regular safety inspections, and responding promptly to safety concerns or incidents. A crucial aspect of maintaining a strong nuclear safety culture is ensuring that all personnel have clearly defined roles and responsibilities. This means that each individual in the organization, from upper management to frontline workers, knows exactly what is expected of them in terms of safety and is held accountable for their actions. One way to achieve this is by establishing a formal organizational structure with clearly defined reporting lines and job descriptions. This helps ensure that everyone knows who they report to and who is responsible for specific aspects of safety management. It also provides a framework for communication and coordination among personnel. Another important aspect of clearly defined roles and responsibilities is ensuring that all personnel receive appropriate training and qualification to perform their assigned duties safely and effectively. This includes both technical training on specific tasks as well as training on the broader safety culture and values of the organization. Regular performance evaluations and feedback mechanisms are also important in ensuring that everyone is meeting their obligations and contributing to a strong safety culture. This includes both positive reinforcement for good performance and corrective action for any deficiencies or non-compliance. Overall, establishing clear roles and responsibilities is essential for creating a culture of safety where everyone is accountable for their actions and working together towards a common goal of safe and reliable nuclear operations. Effective communication is critical for maintaining a strong nuclear safety culture. This involves clear and timely communication between management, employees, and contractors, as well as with the public and other stakeholders. Effective communication strategies include training programs, reporting systems, feedback mechanisms. Providing regular training to employees on safety procedures, hazard identification, and emergency response can help ensure that everyone is on the same page and understands their roles and responsibilities. Information sharing and transparency. Establishing a reporting system that allows employees to report safety concerns or incidents without fear of retaliation can help identify potential issues early and prevent more serious problems from developing. Providing feedback to employees on their performance and safety-related behavior can help reinforce positive behaviors and correct any deficiencies. Sharing information about safety incidents, best practices, and lessons learned with other plants and organizations can help prevent similar incidents from occurring elsewhere. Being transparent with the public and other stakeholders about safety issues, risks, and emergency response plans can help build trust and maintain confidence in the nuclear industry. By implementing effective communication strategies, nuclear power plants can promote a culture of openness, transparency, and continuous improvement, which is essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of nuclear facilities. Continuous training and education play a critical role in maintaining nuclear safety culture within a nuclear power plant. Employees at all levels must receive regular training on safety procedures, emergency response protocols, and other aspects of nuclear power plant operations. One important aspect of training is simulating potential accident scenarios and practicing emergency response procedures. These simulations and drills help to ensure that all personnel are prepared to respond quickly and effectively in the event of an emergency. In addition to technical training, there should also be ongoing education on the principles and values of nuclear safety culture. This can include courses on topics such as safety culture, leadership, ethics, and human performance. By emphasizing the importance of safety culture and providing education on related topics, employees are more likely to prioritize safety in their work. Continuous training and education should also extend to management and leadership. It is important for managers to receive training on effective communication, leadership, and creating a culture of safety. This includes providing regular feedback to employees and encouraging open communication throughout the organization. Overall, continuous training and education are essential components of nuclear safety culture. By ensuring that all employees are properly trained and educated on safety procedures and the importance of safety culture, nuclear power plants can better prevent accidents and maintain a safe working environment. A strong safety culture in the nuclear industry also requires a culture of questioning and continuous improvement. This means encouraging employees to question procedures, processes, and practices if they identify any safety concerns or potential improvements. One aspect of this culture of questioning is the use of safety feedback mechanisms. These mechanisms can take many forms, such as safety suggestion boxes, safety surveys, safety committees, and safety meetings. They allow employees to provide feedback on safety-related issues anonymously and without fear of retribution, and help to identify potential safety improvements and issues that may have gone unnoticed. Another aspect is the use of event analysis and corrective action programs. After any safety-related event, whether it is a near miss or an actual incident, it is important to conduct a thorough analysis to identify the root cause of the event and develop corrective actions to prevent it from happening again. This analysis should involve all levels of the organization and incorporate feedback from employees to ensure that all safety concerns are addressed. A culture of questioning and continuous improvement also involves regular safety assessments and reviews. These assessments should be conducted by both internal and external experts and should be used to identify areas of improvement and potential safety concerns. This includes evaluating safety culture itself to ensure that it is strong and effective in promoting safety. In summary, a strong safety culture in the nuclear industry requires a culture of questioning and continuous improvement, where employees are encouraged to speak up and identify safety concerns. Safety feedback mechanisms are in place, event analysis and corrective action programs are utilized, and regular safety assessments and reviews are conducted. By fostering this culture, nuclear power plants can ensure that safety remains a top priority and that the risk of nuclear accidents is minimized. In conclusion, nuclear reactor accidents are rare but significant events that can have long-lasting consequences. While nuclear energy is a powerful source of energy, it must be produced and regulated with great care to prevent accidents from occurring. By understanding the causes and consequences of nuclear reactor accidents, we can work to prevent them from happening in the future. If you're enjoying learning about the exciting world of engineering on our channel, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out, and you won't want to miss any of our upcoming videos.